Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford Fusion power steering. First, let's identify common issues you might encounter. Many drivers report difficulty turning the steering wheel, which can be a significant safety concern. You might also notice strange noises, such as a distinct whine or grinding sound, especially when turning the wheel. Additionally, always keep an eye out for any visible fluid leaks under your vehicle, as this is a clear indicator of a problem. Once you've identified symptoms, it's time to diagnose the root cause. For hydraulic systems, carefully check the power steering pump for any signs of wear or failure. Always inspect the fluid for proper level and clarity. It should not appear dark or foamy. Also, ensure the serpentine belt is in good condition and correctly tensioned. For electric systems, electrical issues, including blown fuses or a faulty power steering control module, are often the common culprits. Now let's discuss common repairs. If your power steering pump is failing, replacing it can cost between $450 and $550, including parts and labor. For fluid-related issues, flush the old fluid and refill with new specified power steering fluid, typically about 1 quart. Leaking hoses or seals should be replaced promptly. For electric power steering, a simple fuse replacement or system reset might work, but a new steering rack could be necessary for complex electrical faults. After any repair, it's crucial to bleed the power steering system to remove trapped air, ensuring proper function and a smooth feel. Then, take your Ford Fusion for a thorough test drive to confirm the steering feels smooth and responsive at various speeds. For ongoing maintenance, check your power steering fluid monthly, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum lines. Also, regularly inspect hoses, belts, and electrical connections for any signs of wear or damage to prevent future problems and ensure longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.